Hi, this is Allison from Lou Fusz Ford. I'm here to show you today how to set the seat settings, the steering wheel settings, and the pedal settings for the memory for your Expedition Platinum. On the Expedition Platinum, you have a 10-way power seat, which has lumbar and settings for your back, forward, up, and down. So you just set it as comfortable as you are in the vehicle. And as soon as you are done with that, once you're comfortable, you'll press and hold the button. Once you hear it beep, it will save your seat. As soon as you get your seat settings where you feel comfortable, move on to your steering wheel where you have the electric telescopic steering wheel. As soon as you get it set to where you are comfortable, you can also press and hold the one button and it will set your seat and your steering wheel. After you get your seat and your steering wheel set to where you like it, you can go down here and set your pedals to where you can reach with the comfortableness of where you put your steering wheel and your seat. After you do all three, you press and hold the button and it will beep and you're all set. And that's how you set your seat, your steering wheel, and your pedals to your comfort in your new Expedition Platinum.